Lions are the only social big cats, living in prides consisting of related females and their offspring. With a roar that can be heard up to 8 kilometers away, lions are the second loudest big cat after the tiger. Male lions have impressive manes that can help protect their necks during fights and also signal their dominance. Lions are incredibly strong, capable of taking down prey much larger than themselves, known as king of the jungle. Lions actually inhabit grasslands and savannas rather than